Ever wondered if your crypto and other assets could be doing more than just sitting there? What if I told you there are ways to potentially earn rewards simply by holding or engaging with your assets on platforms like Uphold? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into the various avenues Uphold offers to help you potentially grow your holdings. Now, before we jump into the specifics, it's important to understand that earning opportunities in the crypto and financial space can come with their own set of risks. Market volatility, platform-specific terms and conditions, and regulatory changes are all factors to consider. This video is for informational purposes and shouldn't be taken as financial advice. Always do your own thorough research before making any decisions. So, what are some of the ways you might be able to earn on Uphold? Let's explore a few key areas. One of the primary ways users can potentially earn on Uphold is through staking. Staking is the process of locking up a certain amount of specific cryptocurrencies for a set period to support the operation of the blockchain network. In return for your participation, you can earn rewards, often in the form of additional units of the staked cryptocurrency. Uphold typically offers staking for a selection of proof-of-stake (POS) cryptocurrencies. The availability of specific assets for staking and the annual percentage yield (APY) can vary, so it's crucial to check the Uphold platform for the most up-to-date information. When you stake your crypto on Uphold, they generally handle the technical complexities involved in the staking process, making it more accessible for users. Keep in mind that staked assets are usually locked for a specific duration, during which they cannot be easily accessed or traded. Beyond staking, Uphold also sometimes offers rewards or cashback programs on their debit cards or specific trading activities. These promotions can provide an opportunity to earn a percentage back on your spending or trades, effectively boosting your returns. The specifics of these programs, such as the eligible assets, the reward rates, and any associated terms and conditions, can change, so staying informed through Uphold's official announcements is key. Another potential avenue for earning, although it requires more active participation, is through referral programs. Uphold, like many other platforms, may offer incentives for referring new users to their platform. These rewards can range from cash bonuses to crypto credits for both the referrer and the referred individual. If you have friends or family who might be interested in Uphold services, their referral program could be a way for both of you to potentially benefit. It's also worth noting that Uphold provides access to a wide range of assets, including cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and even precious metals. While not directly an earning mechanism in the same way as staking or rewards, having access to diverse asset classes can allow you to strategically allocate your portfolio based on market trends and your investment goals, potentially leading to capital appreciation over time. This requires careful research and understanding of the different asset classes and their associated risks. Finally, Uphold may introduce new earning features or promotions periodically. The cryptocurrency and financial landscape is constantly evolving, and platforms like Uphold often adapt to these changes by offering innovative ways for their users to engage with their assets. Therefore, it's always a good practice to regularly check Uphold's official website, blog, and announcements for any new opportunities that might arise. Remember, while the potential to earn on platforms like Uphold can be attractive, it's essential to approach it with a clear understanding of the associated risks and to conduct your own due diligence. Carefully review the terms and conditions of any earning programs, understand the lockup periods for staking, and be aware of the volatility inherent in the cryptocurrency market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.